Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the method which requires entering a secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here in this general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And right now, let's tap on the model, which is at the top. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.